Kutani porcelain, one of Japan's most famous ceramics. Fukushima Buzan is an artisan of the craft. He's mastered a technique called Akae Saibyo, in which lines as fine as a hair are painted using red pigment. These minute details can be less than 0.1 millimeters in width and extremely precise.
一番目には何と言うても筆ですわ。いい筆に当たると気持ちがよく、筆の先から絵の具がスーッと出てきてどんだけでも続くっていう、武士に例えると刀っていうような感じで、やっぱり筆はやっぱ魂ですかね。
Nothing embodies the soul of an artisan more than their brush. The brushes Fukushima selects are from a manufacturer that has passed down a traditional technique now mainly used in makeup brushes. Their products have attained an almost legendary status among brands and makeup artists around the world. It takes quite a brush to gain such industry-wide popularity. How do they stay a stroke above the competition? Kumano is a small town located in Hiroshima Prefecture, 800 kilometers from Tokyo. It's said that brush making in the town began in the mid-19th century, when the lack of flatland posed challenges to farming. Hakuhodo is just one of among 90 brush manufacturers based in Kumano. They specialize in high-quality brushes for calligraphy and cosmetics. The company has carried on a generations-long tradition of craftsmanship that demands only the finest from their brushes. Brushes are made from the hairs of various animals, as well as synthetic fibers. Brush qualities, such as durability and texture, depend on the type or origin of the hair used. What makes these brushes superb is how the arrangement of the hairs is slightly changed to enable a variety of uses. It takes only a glance to see the effect of their masterful quality. Compared to a standard model, a brush with specially arranged hairs is more absorbent, painting clean, smooth lines. The traditional technique that gives rise to this difference in quality is also used in Hakuhodo's makeup brushes. The one to perform the final check on the brushes is company founder Takamoto Kazuo, who draws from over a half-century of experience. By his count, he inspects over 2,000 brushes daily. What does he look for in these meticulous examinations?
これは邪魔するんですよ、化粧するときに。毛先がない。毛が切れたりしとるんですよ。そういうのがね、あると具合悪い。
The tips of the hairs in a brush mean everything. Split hairs cause a coarse, unpleasant sensation on the skin. Hakuhodo's special method carefully arranges whole, strongly tipped hairs without cutting them. This checking process is carried out numerous times throughout production. A delicate sense of touch is necessary to detect and pluck stray hairs. Takamoto insists on only the finest quality.
この一本一本は使う人はもう全く別な人が使われるわけじゃないですか。やっぱりうちから出るものはもう絶対に間違いないというぐらいのものを出したい。ちょっと失敗してももうそのもの全体がダメになるような筆はそうなんですよ。ですからよっぽど気を入れて作っていかんとダメなんですね。
Thanks to careful techniques and uncompromising policies, great consistency is maintained in production of the standard setting brushes. They allow all styles of makeup to be applied almost effortlessly. The artfully arranged hairs of the brush are both soft to the touch and efficient. With a wide range to suit different needs, around 2,000 kinds of Hakuhodo brushes are on the market. Certain varieties sell only a few units a year, but the company makes a point of providing them. Most of all, they seek to satisfy the expectations of all who cherish them. They've also begun selling brushes used for men's cosmetics. With the rise in remote work, male consumers asked for a way to bring definition to their features for video meetings. The brushes contain more hairs than those aimed towards women, making them more thick and firm. With just a quick application, the difference in the sheen of the skin and around the eyes is clear to see. From era to era, cosmetics continue to change and evolve. It's the brushes that play a key role in bringing the beauty of makeup to the world.